Ahlan wa sahlan and welcome back everyone to Arabic with Khalid, an introduction to the Arabic language. We are starting lesson 2, and in this lesson we will introduce the letters Jim, Ha, Kha. Let's go ahead and learn how to write these letters, then we will come back to practice reading and pronunciation. Ahlan wa sahlan. Let's practice writing the letters Jim, Ha, and Kha. Those three letters are identical. Means that they take the same shape. The only difference is where we put the dot. The letter Jim, the way we write it is we do a straight line on top of the line, then we curve under the line. The letter Ha is similar to that, identical, but the difference here, one dot for the Jim. The Ha has no dot. The letter Kha, similar to the letter Ha and the letter Jim, but one dot right on top of it. As we know, in Arabic language, we write on cursive, meaning that the letter will take a shape at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. As we learned in lesson 1, the way we do beginning shape, middle shape, and end shape, the beginning shape, we take the first part of the Arabic letter. That will be our beginning shape by extending the letter to the left to connect with the letter after. Jim, we take the first part of it and we extend it to the left, we put the dot right under it. Similar to that, the Ha, you see we take the first part, so this will be our first part and we connect with the left, the right, the letter on the left, but no dots. The Kha is similar to that with one dot. Once we get our beginning shape, we can get our middle shape. Why? Because all what we need to do is we just get the connector to connect with the letter before it. That's how our middle shape will be for the Jim, Ha, and Kha. As we know, the end shape in Arabic is the full shape of the Arabic letter, but they come in two ways. Either full shape without any connector, or a full shape with a connector. For the Jim, we put the dot right inside it. This one, without any connector, of course, it comes after one of the 6 letters Alif, Dal, Dal, Ra, Zay, and Waw. Do you remember what are those letters? Those are the 6 letters that do not connect with any letter comes after. So if the Jim is the last letter and the letter before it is one of those 6 letters, we do not connect the Jim with those letters. However, if the Jim comes after any of the other Arabic letters, we will find a connector attached to it. Similar to that, the Ha after one of those 6 letters, or the Ha connected, the Kha after one of those 6 letters, or the Kha connected. Examples? The way I write my name is Kha, Alif, Lam with Kasra Dal, Khalid. Kha at the beginning, connected with the A, Kha. The Alif is one of the 6 letters, does not connect with the letter after, so the Lam will take beginning shape immediately. Then the Dal, Khalid. Look at the Jim or the Ha in the middle. For example, if we want to write the word Hajar, Ha with Fatha Ha, Jim with Fatha Ja, and Hajar. We take the first part of the Ha as a beginning shape. Then the Jim in the middle is exactly like the beginning shape, but it's connected from both sides because the Ha accepts to connect. Then comes the word Hajar. At the end, If I want to write the word Taj, for example, which means a crown, Ta with a long vowel, A and Jim. Notice that the Jim comes after the Aleph. So the Ta beginning, the Aleph, the long A will be Ta. The Jim cannot connect with it because the Aleph actually doesn't accept the connect. So it will be Taj. But look at, for example, if I want to write the word Hajj, pilgrimage. Ha and Ij, Hajj. Ha, Jim. So the Ha and the Jim at the end is connected with the Ha. So this is at the end is not connected because it's one of the 6 letters. This is at the end is connected because the Ha accept to connect with the letter comes after. Jim, Ha, Kha. Beginning, the beginning shape of the letter connected to the left. The middle, the same shape of the letter at the beginning connecting from both sides. And at the end, always we take the full letter in Arabic, either non-connecting after the 6 letters that do not accept to connect with the letters after, or with a connector with the rest of the Arabic letters. Let's go back and practice reading and pronunciation. We will start with the letter Jim. حرف الجيم. جيم فتحة جا، جيم ضمة جو، جيم كسرة جي، جيم سكون ج. باء فتحة جيم فتحة باجا، باء فتحة جيم ضمة باجو، باء فتحة جيم كسرة باجي، باء فتحة جيم سكون بج. With the long vowels, جا، جو، جي. حرف الحاء. حرف الحاء. حاء فتحة حاء، حاء ضمة حو، حاء كسرة حي، حاء سكون ح. باء فتحة حاء فتحة باحة، باء فتحة حاء ضمة باحو، باء فتحة حاء كسرة باحي، باء فتحة حاء سكون بح. Long vowels, حا، حو، حي. حرف الخاء. حرف الخاء. خاء فتحة خاء، خاء ضمة خو، خاء كسرة خي، خاء وسكون خ. باء فتحة خاء فتحة باخا، باء فتحة خاء ضمة باخو، باء فتحة خاء كسرة باخي، باء فتحة خاء سكون بخ. Long vowels, خا، خو، خي. Let's practice reading. قراءة. حان، جاب، حوت، حانوت، خان، بحوث، حج، جواب، أخت، أخوات، أخ، إخوان. Great! Practice reading these words one more time. We will see you in lesson 3 and we will introduce the letters Dal, Dal, Ra and Zay. Thank you.